When it comes to getting the most out of your YouTube channel, growth-wise, YouTube doesn't really have that many tools that you can use and utilize to get the best out of your videos, which is why I've decided to delve right into a really popular extension / tool called TubeBuddy and let you know all the free features you can get without having to spend any money at all. Hey guys, it's Tennille here from Shore Social. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at TubeBuddy and all the best free options they have for free. So before I jump in, I have split these tools into two categories. Category 1 being the completely free full access tools, and then some limited tools. The first tool we're going to take a look at is called the Upload Checklist. You can access this either when you upload a brand new video or if you just click right into your own video on your channel. You'll find it down here in the bottom right hand corner. Now essentially what this does is it goes through a list of different checklists to make sure that you're including everything that you need to include to get the most out of your uploaded video. So for example, make sure you're writing a compelling title, adding descriptive tags, make sure you're adding your videos to a playlist, and just general things like that. You can also actually customize these on the TubeBuddy website if you want to change them around a little bit. The second tool on the list is the Quick Edit Toolbar. As you can see here on the right hand side of my computer screen, there is this little sort of floating panel. Essentially what this tool allows you to do is quickly jump between different videos that you're editing. So say I needed to copy and paste something from this video here, I could go ahead and go to my next video. It will take a little bit to load and then I can just simply paste it in here. The third tool that I would like to talk about is the Quick Links menu. So if you're in your channel videos inside the Studio Beta or just the normal Creator Studio, head down to the little or any of your videos initially, click on the little TubeBuddy option here, click Quick Links, and you'll actually be able to go through and click very specific topics in the analytics or jump straight to comments that you haven't replied to. The next tool that I want to talk about is the built-in Emoji Picker. This saves so much time if you're wanting to add in emojis inside your titles or descriptions, so you don't have to go to a third-party site. You can just go ahead and click your little smiley face here and just go ahead and add in any emojis that you like. Now it's time to talk about the advanced video embedding option. If you run a website like I do, this is a really quick way to customizably embed and create an embedded link to stick on your website. All you simply need to do is jump into your videos in the Creator Studio, click on the little TubeBuddy icon and jump down to the MISC or miscellaneous section and click Advanced Embed. Here you can pick the size, where you'd like it to play from, if you'd like it to loop, and much more. And then you simply just copy and paste your embedded code where you'd like it. Now this tool is probably hands down the most important tool TubeBuddy has to offer and probably the most popular reason as to why people install the extension in the first place, the Videolytics. Now this section goes ahead and gives you a few little sort of stats about the video, but the most important section is the rankings and the tags for every video that you stumble across. So you can essentially show all the tag rankings to see where the video is ranking and then you can also copy all of those and save them to a tag clipboard. It also goes through some of your best practices to focus on as well. I've got a few things to work on for this video particularly, but I'll leave the rest up to you. Now it's time to take a look at the tag sorter. Now YouTube quite some time ago took away the option to actually reorder tags in specific orders. This was detrimental because you want to rank your tags in the way that they're ranked in search. So for example, if you have a ranked tag that's number 1, you want that tag to be your first tag. That's where TubeBuddy went ahead and added in the tag sorter for you. Simply just go into your video, scroll down to the end where it says Tag Tools and click Sort. And then we'll go ahead and click Auto Sort by Rank. That'll resort our tags for us and then just click Apply and Close. Now, something that I talk about a lot on this channel is called cross promotion, and I did make a video directly on this topic as well, so don't forget to check that out. But TubeBuddy has definitely added in a couple of tools to help you with that cross promotion to make it a little bit easier. It's called Vid to Vid Promotion. Simply go into the Creator Studio and find a video that you want to go ahead and start cross promoting. Click on the little TubeBuddy icon and then under your Promote section, click Vid to Vid Promotion. Now this will pull up a little panel and we are going to be using the option of description promotion. Click Continue. So essentially what's going to happen is it's going to go through and add in a link or whatever you'd like to add in. Make sure you do link to a video, and it will add this link and a little bit of a description to every other one of your videos. So not every single one. So you can either add this to the start of your description, the end, or if you already added it to your videos, you can remove it from the description. Now this is definitely one of those amazing features for any of you guys that do a giveaway or continuously do giveaways on your channel. It's the pick a winner feature. Now, whatever video you uploaded with a giveaway on, go ahead and click the little TubeBuddy icon and head down to the miscellaneous tab and click pick a winner. Now it'll allow you to go through and choose from all your comments, or if a comment had to contain a particular word. Just click pick a winner, it'll go through and pick someone from that comment section to win. If they do have social media connected to their account, you will have access to their Twitter or Instagram, whatever is linked, so it makes it easier to contact them, as YouTube isn't the best place to DM someone. Now this one's a bit of a nifty little feature. It's the social monitor. So if you're wanting to track down any shares or posts with your video link in them, this is a quick way to do so. Pick a video, click on the TubeBuddy icon, and then head down to social monitor. This will go through and scan through Twitter and Reddit to see if there's any posts made about this particular video. It's just myself, I've made 3 posts. Now this one is called your Channelytics. This is found on your channel and you can view other people's channels as well. Just gives you a few straightforward little analytics and a live subscriber count. This will change because YouTube is now abbreviating subscriber counts, and you can go ahead and pick a few stats from this little drop down here. And it also shows off your channel tags. Now this one's pretty straightforward. It's called the Demonetization Audit. Essentially it scans through the video and any pieces of text that are included in your tags, description or title, and just double checks that it is safe for YouTube and you're not going to get demonetized. Now I'm going to run through the limited access free options on the free subscription for TubeBuddy. First one I'm going to take a look at is the Video Topic Planner, which can be found in the TubeBuddy dashboard under your extension tools and then Video Topic Planner. Now, with the limited access, you can post 5 video planners. So to add a new topic, you just click Add New Topic, and then you can go ahead and add in a title and some notes, and that's about it. The next one we'll quickly take a look at is the thumbnail generator. You will have to open up one of your videos in the Creator dashboard, head underneath where your thumbnail usually is, and click Create Thumbnail. Now, this is limited to, you can only add 1 custom image, you cannot create any templates, and you cannot download a copy of the thumbnail. So essentially you can choose from a still frame from the video, a solid color, or an image or existing thumbnail. Then you go ahead and create your layers, so your text, colors, things like that, preview, and then add it in. The next one is a quick and easy tool to help you organize your playlists without going into every single one. Essentially, you go to your View All Playlist section, click on a playlist, and then click Action, and you can change the playlist privacy, video ordering, and you can even remove videos. Now, this is definitely a feature that I use more than I would think I do. The default upload profiles. Now, you can only have 2, so you can keep your default one and then upload another one, so you can have 2. To get there, you need to go to Settings and Upload Defaults. You can see that there is a little drop down here. So I've got my YouTube one, which is just a description, and I think I probably should add some tags in there, but you can go ahead and click New and then add a new profile. So when you need to maybe have 2 types of different videos with 2 different descriptions, you can choose between the 2. Another really helpful tool is the comments, or more so comment filters. Essentially, you can go to your comment section and just filter through a very, very specific comments. For example, I use the comments that I have not replied to most of the time. It just filters out any gunk that you don't really want in your comment section, and it allows you to go through and actually find the comments that you may have missed previously. Another really helpful tool is the canned responses, but you can only create 1 of these. So what I do is I just have basically 1 canned response that is a reply to people that usually just say thank you for my video or my content or something that I've said in the video, and then I sort of alter that. It just helps keep everything in a safe flow. So to access this, you just need to click your TubeBuddy icon and then head to Website Tools and click Canned Responses. When it loads, it'll look something like this. You just have to click Add Canned Response. I'm going to go thank you and then test canned response. and save. Now, if I wanted to reply to Vicky here, all I would do is I'd click the little TubeBuddy icon and click thank you, and then it'll autofill that canned response for me. The next really helpful tool is called Tag Lists. To access this, click on your TubeBuddy icon and click underneath the extension tools, Tag Lists. Essentially, if I was going to distinguish between a few videos and I would like to use very similar tags or base tags for those videos, I could set up a tag list to just pre-fill for that type of video. So for example, if I was doing tutorial videos, I'll type it tutorial, and then I can just go ahead and add in some pre-filled tags. Something that's really helpful when you are stuck with trying to find some tags that are related to a video and you've only got a few more to fill, this is probably the most helpful tool for that, the suggested tags. Click on one of your videos that you want to go ahead and add some tags to, click the little drop-down TubeBuddy icon, and then go to suggested tags. Now, because we are on the free limited version, you do only get the first 3 suggested tags for the video. And this is my how to edit YouTube videos with Adobe Premiere Pro. So of course it's going to go ahead and give me Adobe Premiere Pro tags. It'll also give you some tags related just to your channel directly. This next tool is the Search Explorer. So when you go ahead and search something in YouTube, the Search Explorer will pop up to the right. It'll go through and give you the 3 most popular tags and related searches because we are on the limited, but it'll also give you a rough keyword score and some keyword stats. And while we're here with the Search Explorer, let's have a chat about the Keyword Explorer as well. So I'm going to stick with my normal keyword, Adobe Premiere Pro. We're going to click TubeBuddy here and click on the Keyword Explorer underneath the extension tools. I'm going to go ahead and paste in my keyword and click Explore. Now again, you're only going to see the top 3 results for everything just because we are on the limited option. But you do get to go through and see the top results for your keyword, whether it was trending or not, and if so, how high was it trending, historical results as well for it if there are any, and then a map generally showing you where the results come from. While we're still on the topic of keywords and tags and things like that, the last one is called Insta Subject. So this is when you go ahead and start typing a tag in your tag section inside your video editing. I just type sure, and of course it's going to take up and make it one of the most related search terms. But if I was to go and type Adobe Premiere, it would autofill with Pro. If I was to do Pro, it'll start to autofill with things that are most popular with the related search term. But that is everything I have for you today, guys. If you did enjoy or find this video super helpful, make sure you leave me a like down below and leave me a comment as well if you have anything to add to the video or think I've missed something. Please do let me know, guys. I will see you in the next video. See ya.